Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete a blog in Tumblr. Unfortunately, you cannot directly delete individual blogs within the Tumblr app on your phone. To delete a blog, you need to use a web browser. The first thing you do is access Tumblr on your phone's web browser. You can use a preferred browser like Google Chrome. You can use Firefox, you can use Edge. Then you log into your Tumblr account. Go to the blog you want to delete and click on the gear icon, which is for settings at the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click delete on the blog name. Then you enter your username and password when prompted and click delete and the name of the blog to confirm. Please note that when you're deleting your primary blog, it requires you deleting your entire Tumblr account. So be very wary when doing that and cautious. Now, the Android Tumblr app does not currently support account deletion, so you need to use a web browser for this as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.